Good morning, dear students. Today we will do revision of notice writing event based. This is the syllabus of your revision test first. Okay. So we have done application writing also. Okay. And now today we are supposed to do notice writing event based. There are so many things that you have to keep in your mind. So do this notice side by side in your notebooks. Whatever the details I'm discussing with you, write down all the details. Okay. So let's start with this. So for framing a notice, you have to draw a box using a pencil. Okay. And very first line that you have to write down here, name of the institution. Name of the institution. Whatever the name given in the question, you will copy that name and you have to write down this name of the institution in capital letters. Okay. Name of the institution. Then you have to mention the word notice. That should also be written in capital letters. After that, you are supposed to write down date. And when you are writing a date, it doesn't mean that you can use abbreviation, THST, short forms. Not like that. You have to use full date. 27th August 2021. Okay. So in this way, you will be writing full date. Okay. Now give a suitable heading of your notice. Write down a special suitable heading caption of your notice. Clear? So name of the institution, notice, date, and heading, all the things should be written like that. Okay. Now here comes content. See, when you are going to arrange content, your content should not exceed 50 words. It should not exceed 50 words. Okay. Now you are going to write down notice writing of event based. So what things you have to write down here? These are the value points. You have to write down the name of organizer, that who is organizing the event. Okay. Then you have to write down the name of the event. So these are the value points that you have to keep in your mind. Organizer, name of the event. You are supposed to write down date, time, venue, all the things should be written. Okay. What is the occasion? On which occasion this event is going to, okay, organize, okay. And if there is any incentive or reward, or you can say prize. Okay. Then last date, then whom to contact, all the things properly should be arranged. Who is organizer? What is the name of the event? On which occasion it is going to be held? Date, time, and venue should be properly mentioned. And those who will be participants for that, any incentive, reward, or prize. Okay, last date and whom to contact. All the things should be written like this. Okay. And after that, at last, what you are going to write down? What we are going to write down? Signature and name and designation. Signature name and designation. Clear? So in this way, you have to do this notice writing, write down all the details very, very carefully. Okay. Afterwards, I will be telling you the question, what question you have to do. Sorry. You have written homework, na? Write down subjects also. These subjects are to be sent today. Maths and SST. Clear, bachche? So in this way, you will be doing notice. Now I'm going to share one question with you. If you have written, shall I move further? If you have written this, shall I move further? You have written all the details. See, for writing this correct format, you will be getting 2 marks for writing correct format. This format carries 2 marks and 3 marks are for the whole notice. Clear? Now write down question. Now write down question. You are Nidhi Samant. You are Nidhi Samant, the president of Arts Club of the Arts Club of the Arts Club of the Raizada International Academy Surat. Academy Surat. Your school is organizing your school is organizing a painting competition your school is organizing a painting competition for the students of class 6th to 8th, for the students of class 6 to 8 on the occasion of Children's Day. On the occasion of Children's Day. Write a notice in about Write a notice in about 50 words. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students. Informing the students. Invent necessary details. Invent necessary details. So, बच्चे write down this question very carefully. Then we will be solving this notice. See, whenever such kind of question is asked in your paper, first of all find out keyword that you can't miss. See, if you are Nidhi Sawant, this is given, and at last, if you write down your name or ABC, then the format will be considered wrong. So when you will read question, underline this thing that I have to write down only this name. You have to write down this name and this designation. This is a name given and this is a designation given that you have to write down at last. Put signature of Nidhi like that, name of the sender, and then write down signature. Now don't write down your school name, because which school name is given, which institution name is given? Raizada International Academy. So you will copy this name. So underline this also. Because students, what do? They in a hurry write down school name ABC, or they write down their school name. But if school name is given in the question, like this name is given, you have to copy this name. Nidhi Sawant is given, you have to copy this name. Designation is given, you have to pick up that designation. Clear, bachche? So you have to write down this in about 50 words, informing the students. Okay. And what is the occasion? Occasion is Children's Day. And for classes 6 to 8. So you keep all the details in your mind. Shall we start writing a notice? So all of you start framing. I will be asking you. But whatever the guidelines I am giving you, that you have to underline the keywords, that these words you have to copy. So keep all these guidelines in your mind. Don't commit any mistake. Clear? Okay, so first of all, name of the institution. What name is given? And you have to write down this name in capital letter. Raizada International Academy, Surat. What will be the next line? What will be the next line? Notice. And this should also be written in a capital. Then date. Date should be 27 August 2021. Clear? Then what will be the name of what will be the heading of this? Tell me, according to the given question, what will be the heading? Tell me. Yes, it will be painting competition. Painting competition. Okay. So write down here, the school is organizing. Never use personal pronoun here, that our school is organizing. If you will be writing here our school, then it will be considered wrong. But whatever the guidelines I am discussing with you, keep all these guidelines in your mind and write down according to the guidelines. This thing, and this thing, all these three lines should be in capital letters. Mind में बिठा लो अपने. This line and this line should be in capital letter. अगर यहाँ पे small letter में लिख दिया, then marks will be deducted. Date should be written full. No abbreviations, no comma, no full stop. And here you are not supposed to write down our school. You will not use personal pronoun. You will be writing the school is organizing. The school is organizing. What school is organizing? What is the name of an activity? The school is organizing a painting competition. P should be capital and competition C should be capital. The school is organizing a painting competition for which classes? Yes, for the classes 6 to 8. What is the occasion? On the occasion of Children's Day. Children C and D, this should be written in capital. These are the minor details, but you have to keep all these details in your mind. Okay. Then you have to tell on which date and what is the premises, what is the location. Okay, place. It will be held on, you can mention any of the date, because it is a children day, it means it will be in the month of November. Okay, so it will be held from 11th November to 14th November. 11th November to 14th November. Or you can mention any of the date. It will be held on 14th November 2001 in the school hall. Date, time and venue. Date is 14th November. Timings also you write down. It will be held on 14th November 21 at 10 a.m. in the school hall. Okay. Now the prizes will be given to winners. In place of winners, what word can be written? In place of winner, what word can be written according to 7th class? Top 3 contestant. Top 3 contestants. Top 3 contestants from each class. From each class will get, what they will get? Tell me. Tell me what they will get. Top 3 contestants from each class will get attractive prizes. See, your notice should be like that. Such kind of words should be included in that so that maximum participation can be there and students should feel that yes, they should participate. Top 3 contestants from each class will get attractive prizes. After that, interested. Write down the spellings of interested very, very carefully. Interested students should give their names. Should give their names to the, tell me, to the undersigned. Interested students should give their names to the undersigned latest by means before this days. Latest by 1st November 2021. Okay. Then at last, you will be writing whose name? Tell me whose name will be written here. Yes, you will put signature of Nidhi like this. Nidhi. Then write down full name. Nidhi Samant. And after that, after this line, write down designation. What is designation? President Arts Club. This designation you can write down in brackets. President Arts Club. Then you will close this notice box. Clear? After Nidhi Samant, in next line you will be writing President Arts Club. Clear, bache? So this is proper arrangement of ideas. See here, this thing and this thing. All these 3 lines should be written in capital letters. Date should be written full. The school, not our school. You are not supposed to write down personal pronoun. Okay. And after writing this, what is the name of the competition? You will include that. For which classes? You will include that. What is the occasion? Include that line also. And mention date, time, and venue. See, date, time, and venue. These three things are written in single line. Whenever you want to mention date, time, and venue, all the things should be written in single line. Clear? So top 3 contestant. Top 3 contestant, it means winners. So you can write down winners also, top 3 contestant also. From each class will get attractive prizes. So it is very much compulsory to write down that what the winners are going to gain. So you are supposed to write down this line. And interested students should give their names to the undersigned. Clear? Latest by 1st November 2021. Nidhi Samant, President of Arts Club. Clear, bache? So in this way, you will be doing this notice right. Clear? So write down this. I'm giving you one more example and you will do this practice in class only. And I can ask any of the child to show me their notebooks. But before that, I want to see your notebooks. All of you keep your cameras on. Online students, offline, one by one, show me your notebook. Yes, you show me. Okay, now online students, start showing me your notebooks. You have done this notice or not? Very good, Drishti, Sanya. Very good. I have seen your notebooks. What about others? Yes, Jalash, Angadeep, good. Others? Aryan, Hardik, Nandini, Rudar, Shriya, Akshit, Guneet. All of you keep your cameras on and show me your notebooks. You have seen, you have written or not? Yes, Angad. All of you show me. I'm looking at your screen. You show me your notebooks. You have seen or not? You have written or not? Yes, Lakshay. Yes. Now okay, let me give, because so many students have done, that is really good. So I'm going to provide you next question. You start solving this question. By the time I will see the notebooks of each and every child, that have they done this notice or not. Okay. So write down next question. Those who have done this first notice, write down second. As Anupreet Arya, as Anupreet Arya, the school captain of Lovedale School, Ghaziabad, draft a notice in 50 words. Draft a notice in 50 words for the students of classes 6 to 8, inviting them to participate in a declamation contest invent details like date, time, venue, topics, date, time, venue, topics, time limit, etc. So बच्चे start framing notice on this topic. By the time those who have done, they can start framing, and I am going to ask from other students. I'm going to see their previous notice, that have they done or not. Let me see. Yes, बच्चे, one by one, those who haven't shown yet. Guneet, okay, I have seen. Next, Show me your notice, previous notice. Hurry up. Sameer, Tanya, Sarabhyapak, Arush, Mitul, Tarun, Nandini, Jasleen, Jasmeet, Akshit, Hardik, Bhutani. All these students, show me your notice that you have done this notice or not. Show me your notebooks on screen. Hurry up. Those who will not show, they will be marked absent by me today. They will be marked absent in English class if they are not doing their work. Because if you are physically present and mentally not, you are not doing your work. Yes, Mitul, good. Seen. Yes, Mitul, good. Others? Others also show me your notebooks. I'm marking your attendance side by side. Tanya, Sarabhyapak, Sameer, Vaibhav, Harmanpreet, Tarun, Shriya, Nandini, Jasleen, Aryan, Kareer, all these are marked absent by me because they are not showing me their notebook. Hurry up. Now, bacha, I am giving you this as a homework. You do this as a homework. One of the notice we have discussed in class. And second, you do it as a practice. Okay, bache?